what busa won say eye den ena na agrada e kuntokwama owusu bempa what busa won say question da
Patromiti
so all right recently no apart from oyi mi naked ayi no one fancy wow osuma 8 motors 2 cars.
Okay.
Am I chasing from Kokobite to Dakuma Junction? I have some of the video here. I can even give it to you.
Okay.
Enti menya ne nkura ni beche wo mu nipa makomako 4.
Okay.
Eche wo mu in the scene. Ena ori dwa to kokosi opanyikase bi fani Sarichi Abbas what in dinda.
Okay, Sariki.
Okay. Sarichi Abbas.
Okay.
Na Sarichi Abbas frame. Oni me trans kasai. Na me so me Sarichi Abbas wo personal relationship.
Okay.
Into onu nyala ne say me ni Sarichi wo personal relationship. Na ori dwa to kosi ni so.
Okay.
Enti Sarichi through Sarichi ma me sare ni be hyiae.
Okay.
Ema ye bonkomo e ho no wo kire me say eye sofo miensa na ne bon pa
true eye openikese Sariki Abbas no ema wo de chair no mo sort yi bibia
yeah sort
ema wo de chair no
yes sort kra ma me no me ye ma say kama kwakwa yi case no e de free
that's another case ni court
na eno ye different case ni two different case
okay nti de hina
the man nkra ne be pamo me bo me no
eye one
eye one
eyi ube ma to so no eno ne ye baako
the ye be matos mean to me nkase ono na ma ye be ye
okay
because I was say it me pay free wo mo a ababa wana no ye ma sore ba no a we invite him
okay
he have to say it I don't have to say it for her
okay
but what you say
me tipa
enti Sarichi ene ye trans wie na ye ka asem no wie no ene wo ye na adwen say cars me car no mo say no obetua ka
okay
could you believe say mama agrada tua car no ka wie ya o mama 180 million
okay
for car no mo send papa risky
okay,
no
which is 18,000
Ghana cedis and what the mama no the camera to so say me kwako yi asem na free court aba say me ko yi free court ma no the video na ko court say maba no aba ba jisika 3 billion into court no twa case ni
okay
what you say the reason went your case we say men yem free court am fa mafie na say nyina so I decided say second one na wasabe pa ache wo no mema court mama ka asem no because minim adwena ewo sama me ni tiri ko be pa ma chon me de ache wa na wo the camera say na o my camera secret
okay
into this carry share me nsem no
na a capture but camera na an capture sika dodo no but capture say ye o mouse sika bi
scan so no 20 cedis note bond nti de obeka se hye bia no obi abegie di
okay
and court need to be GD
okay
my sentence was en kede man ma no yet the sentence ne so e fane wo mo ene ma wo mo 1 year
ene sign fine o mo
ene fane wo mo
okay
which is say enka won obi a o ma pa microphone twitwa bitibi se kan enka they will go maybe 20 or 30 years
wow
enti onu ohunu say ebia menim se wodwene say ebia me nkoyi case ni mouse say you na wo ye smart no de video ni coin and the court can say so you need money more than your justice but before God the man na ye car na wo mo say no
okay
and who can ko an utuae
okay na e car ben
na elentra
yeah okay it in some way nyina see ye no na waware
me wale
enti
me wale 2011
waware 2011 and in some ways to see
2018
yeah okay enti ebrebe enso so na osan ball pa na ye brand enti ebrebe na osan ball pa e ma ye koyi obema eto so
I na make say me nka say agada na ball pa because
okay
obo pa na me nyina ho
okay
and I mean to me ya but enipa be minim so ye involve e wusu bempa
okay but buy you know one kasan so say meet you interviews baby
enipa me metimi akasa metimi me sense me bukasa or ye part of what they did to me e wusu bempa
e die nti e na wo de hye sofo wusu bempa
number 1 ye kwache nkura no kwache guess na omo de me fa akwan so no wusu bempa de bebeli o number 2 on one kasa fa phone e frɛ ka kyerɛ me sɛ sɛ me pa me nya nkura na chidi te sɛ obobo mutu akumi
wow
yeah
that time
and I have the audios there
that time now me papa wusu bempa na montem ete saying
hwe open nipa no ope wo so be pass empa wo wiase a I swear to God it is me
it had an assembly by and went me na ntena se anyen siesie
onu mum na so me trans na assembly na trans
okay
are you getting the point
yeah
case no e bae no ye interview me ni mienu nyina e wo NIT FM I quite remember say NIT FM or say Adom Peace FM ye interview me ni mienu na ye busa de say wo case no bia wo say wo nim hu bi. But any time I may take any step to arrest those ladies, na ono wa be me say on be believe.
And I say be a yin say papa usu be mpa de bia na
yes no mo nkwa soro wo fi.
So okay asem ne ba ye no unya akonya e ne tena ase e bisa ne I'm not defending him but the mean so one some a wo kan de wo ma adwene ma ese bisa questions and am de bisa no and some ne ba ye no unya akonya e frɛ no ana e call no ho ene ne tena ase e kokasa na ase de na wo internet ne so no eno na wo no ugidi ya wo de etu ana mo de ya asem
enye internet so asem calling me straight.
Okay.
Ye ko che guess no a.
Okay.
Ye ko che guess no. Guess ne frɛ no. O frɛ wo su bempa. Ana wo su bempa ka say o mo fa phone no get ne fa phone ma police ni.
Papa prophet. Fa papa kakra kan papa.
Me fa papa nka be de ho. Wo de o papa.
Okay.
Me wo ye wo su bempa o mi manim.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Ono e ka kire police ni say ma wo mo nche guess no.
Okay.
The police in the national can say the entire on chiggers and yes, be a so about chiggers. But Omo ma, Omanfa police in Bama, as more catch them.
A denti and a wujina so I walk as a chinchina papa bempa any movie or in the name of Fred Wolfon so catcher will say Jai girls no or pow Jai one
come pacho.
Oh, but so baby to me no workers about on campacho or in the name of baby of Fred will catch
we interest in this say was so say ye may and chiggers.
Oh, okay. Once obi ho pasumdwe ana mami gold nana obi ho asumdwe no pe
beba
mo ya mbetimi abeba
ma ma ba wa no mo nya wa asore ba
okay
omunye obusuani
okay
omunu monton bia
ye nyina enim se papa ye
okay omunu monton bia eye dey na wo gigina mu se
okay
ye kwachi obi wo case ni mu a wo interfere say wo da oba be beli no
that time no wonso unim emaya no ewe hemfa
emaya no me no mo wo sofo pambo asore
oh okay
enti asabu kwa ba ye
no wo kire say unim mo me papa opambo asore dey say opese o kire say papa opambo ne papa bempa e na aye ba ko say sa de ni sia
na ba beka no enti asabu ba ye no people were even thinking say e opambo Ebenezer
wow
people were even thinking say opambo Ebenezer na yes because of say be am free ni nche.
Okay, now
so now
me papa
yes, me na nantepen.
Oh, okay.
So now Opambo have to also do this. Opambo called the girls. And the girls told Opambo straight, Opambo mema ko Opambo nima mo the video no mun se nyina ma kire me.
Okay.
Make a krabi a metu maka na one me said intia me said anya happy with me papa Opambo and say you could have give me the video.
Oh, okay.
Because he videoed the girl. And the girl confessed those who send her over 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Eh, papa, Opambo ma girls no.
No, Opambo. Omo born a pan.
Okay, okay.
And he mentioned also by Bani first.
But on Jin, this say Ebia na papa Opambo yes ano. Ebia na asumdwe. Me hu ni say Ebia na asumdwe.
That be Opambo dey on your boni o. He have to defend himself.
What say o video and na de ye wo ya udi hu ya woni se wantimi amfa
video ni ma me
ankyerɛw anase wan fa
da bi o so da bi o
so
de wa frame akodi fie
but e bia na opa asumdwe e bia na opese nsɛm ni nyina atutwa wo pa asumdwe nti na wa fa
atutwa say I need justice.
Okay,
I need justice.
Okay,
justice for myself, justice for my family, justice for my children. Who did say my sister in school kwa 4?
Oh, sorry.
Because they omo the video no mo the send omo school. And this time,
okay.
Because when they go to know me, people know me a lot in this country. And anytime be a me concran and chebi ombo say, "Ebia and krasu mesi we on papa ni no." Then and then omo the church woman I have to change the school.
Asamne ba sa na ye bo ye yi ube ma to abonten. Sen e na wo fa no.
I decided to kill myself.
Jesus.
Yes, until say nyankopon yi ni wadi kire me. I decided to kill myself. Me share me manke to anim one night bi. Na my yes me community to na kokoto epu. Me pese me body kura obi abi before God the man. And that very night no, and Nyankopon yi no we dey said don't kill yourself. I'm not done with you. Enti eno ene shame me nkunan e mama ho den. Say me fight the case no till to the last breath of my life, and I'll be still fighting it. Me we are glad that we are no. Unim say, yeah. Mama for kwanya we say so nka bi kakra nkyere o man Ghana. Okay. Because I believe some people are listening. Yeah. Yes, your policy for. We should help ourselves and do the right thing. Okay. No matter how the person is. Because case, me report only the very day no assembly see and then me report to case in Israel. Central Israel. Okay. Yellow House, one case ni see. Okay. Me report to case Emma me say 2 weeks ye sini hwehwe guest is ayen wo mo. Wow. Te me hu ya na say guest no ye interview wo mo wo Neat FM. Really? Ena me ba Tesano. Eno ne ben a Peace FM. Yeah. And I'm beyan me be logic case wo. And I'm ko che guest ne ba no ko je docket ni free Israel be kan ho. Me wo wan am say mami tiwa that one na ye CID boss. Okay, mami tiwa police. Okay. CID boss then time. 2019 he was the CID boss. I requested docket and say we hear docket. So the police they called me and on the docket na a free Israel. Docket ya a free friend say Tesano ekabu. Guess no omu gane no minim ge no waba me nche wo me fie several enti minim phone anu wisu enti minya phone no fai e de kokoma police phone no e ma wo mu nim wo mu a na gere ne wo mu e communicate that time e ma wo de docket ne brema mitiwa could you believe say me no tu akasa this year no wo mo se docket na ira jeez yes. It's not just said. It's up to now. Guess in your own court. Na agrada no no show and then they have gone to court. But get no yet the main victim no omu docket no ayra. Na say ebi susu a we dey misre me kan ebi anenye na na agrada anso so e show woni TV so so a e ka ebi ankasem no so e ba abonten kra anka echirisa. Yes, but I was a main victim so you have to face the law. And a whole police national headquarters and young chen getting TV. Now we catch him say docket and the exhibit ayra. Wow. Oba ombe fiaba. It's a basan what's an report to be what do my report to twice. Am I a guess nyina about twice. Yes say docket no ayra. Jesus. Before God the man. Enti na chese say no person say penifo ni bi and I say o ma ye no foolish case ana. Obi at na docket ayira the one e be court. Because they think say if the girls go to court wa one more subo girl ne pa no be nya problem. Enti omo solo a docket no ba obefe. It's not just hope so chess and pennyphobia no mon sashashasi. Oh yes, say according to Gano, say one more back food. But the main maya o shemu e wo subampa. As say neno, hope so dia asem chichire me kon. E wa ha. In fact me that part of to bomb na ma. Say me so papa no. But say me ka wo subampa so wo subampa for doors na wo subampa kra be kanazem. Also bempa for those. Aye, into who bempa. Social media guy be or wife and also bempa. You are so for come do bempa baby. Aha, so me into relax. Okay. Mommy good. Bremo kakana in try ho embra. Asam ne de no kro nya me. Said the so for kana yeah. Na medical born year ba so pa. Okay. Yeah, na mo na so kakra ma me. Ne yere wa ya ati. Enye me nyina ne betumi. Afasade yin. Yeah. Na mesa case so say
said the naso for cano say a police for Titugana a police for and your munina de a binum sike die any new may be a omojintino as some said it also more cano no man one some yen for some NC said there was a semnako.
I didn't see now who sir.
The entire makers as some say said the so for can asem no say asem ni see ye no or report asem no e dey na police for ye obi afro obi say oh brabe bompa e ma me na me yare na so for according to asem na so for can beginning no internet social media so na men so make kan ho asem ama so for ya ba won che say
obi ben and a fresh of Appiah say o mebon
pai ya o kana asem
ye friend Deborah
and a fresh of Appiah say o yare so o mebon ade na any church member na
yeah
just say
na ya church member
yeah
aso it any church member and of friend no
so
of friend anajo anasa awia anasa
What frame me club for 3 days class of maybe
it's day now call na ya na pa na asa
na ya no pa
in terms of friend say no home fa no mebon pai ma no yankwa ye bre no
na software afaka
okay
aba won chen so be bon pai amawa na echire de hu ya ne say software me ebeda internet no say software bi akoto obi mu na
omanka example omisi wakofa obi yire obi yire ne yache na bo
me me dia mete wa agrada na agrada ho
yache na bo mama ye yi ne hu nyina
okay
e de papai
enti wan be ka bi ama ho
enti sa die we eba so no se we police ne we bema te sese de papai tie na mo hu sa video we e twa so ana e kobai a mo hu se ade a e koi papai kan se ono no nipa ne friend so mbebon paima no de ekoso no onim ho hwe
etina ka wo wadwe nkyere ne se nka omo nto ombo no omo nya nhwehwemu
sa netie
okay
but omo ntumi anye
mama god mi ntwa no per the phone me nya de ma wo mu no they could have get every damn information.
Oh, okay.
Because that time the cyber unit is working.
Oh, that is information, evidence.
Yes. Because ababa one phone na ekuta na minya no. Omo no communicate ye din komuni we get it everything there.
Oh, okay.
International.
It is cyber unit now. Ye the phone ma wo ni doctor ma wo no. They could have bring every damn person omuni get the communicate here for that thing out. Because
en komoji phone nka last person nka ebia nipa Deborah no any sa nipa nakasa nko mbe hu ni nyina
everything.
Oh wow.
Everything.
Nanso
this is very sad.
Ena so for usu bempa se me a working say oye usu bempa o ni se do si ka say usu bempa for doors
me papa asemo say me papa say so for usu bempa asema mo kan me papa NGO TV for yenim ho hwe Nayas yenim ho hwe me papa
me ba me ntwa wa obi bia wo so won te ase wo de ye kan no o me face mi akasa wow on va me ko police station me sia no
to aso e mame
na nsemi ekọ ya omo video so for that time no e ba ne say na agra dance akokan video no because omo fa video na ma meto internet no so video no omo say the so for kan omo pass girl ne pass onye sa no omo yes a video no na chese
girl ni nua na video
nto video
and when yes girl ni nua ba panyini and here the pio hey now we pay the wa and I say they say na ka dey sa no wuni me say Deborah wa ye me ba miss Deborah class me say na mama so the panyini ba e wo UK so won wale no
oh Jesus
I don't know kura na kan makoma say me nkonkohwe no because me na me say na ma obi so obi wale no
enti abra wo de ne ma obi so won wo de na ma obi so won ware na ofre wo say papa me ho fa me enti brafie na be pompa e ma me emergency
it take 3 days
wo frɛ ni nipa na wadamfo na wo de na ma no wo frɛ no ka che na
na wo ma so de page
yes wo frɛ no ansa na oko
oh yeah John Dazi is aware me frɛ John Dazi e frɛ na ire say Deborah se ne ho mfa no ana Ghana me de ne ma no so no John Dazi ne ba no e frɛ ne Emmanuel no so Emmanuel ene ne communicate na me say okay me pese me ankasa me kokохwe because frɛ me for 3 days now no knowing say ne abone pa
ya bo pa o
e just say you be pa o you twitwa me twitwa me trim nya
na baby a pese me ba na am say waka masem ama me
na pese me bisa because we share
me ba me phone so
e bi ba phone for all over the world
me pese me bisa no question am say wa answer me say na me bisa ne kan pese me bisa ne say na relationship be no ni sa nipa ne wo
yes
otumi frɛ so ombre fi because me nim say asofo bebre wo ho a wo friend so ombre fi me bo mpa ma de be ka cha ne say hia no wo
asori dem
and as asori down
yes
because the the evidence e wo ho ni secretaries ni nkwala ba ko mienu bi ono mo ye adwuma e wo ho nti so otumi a friend so ombre ne fi ne che say oni ni nkita hodie ni ya embu odu because yen is asofo be ba ofie say
ona bi wo yakra mi ni no at the age of osha e wo pambo no osha kura na ye nim no ne ye soma no a kopem se be ba akra ha me sa ate ne nka na ka je ne se oh di bona se de wo so ba akra na wo su adwuma dia me nipa bi ono no wo ema tupe e no wo mo e no so wo mu nya wo UK enti de sofu payi ni me o pese me mpe wo ba ma o mu hodwo emfa ma ne ma no na o mu enwale no pese ne ma no eni bagana o wo mu nya wo UK o mu nya nyini wo UK ho omu magana kurada true Deborah ne the next person amede ma wo mu na ma wo bagana
Deborah no na sitnem to say because enka o nyamedifo anyaminsa wo so na yetimidi atorenchem kase awudi sem say ediwo ukosha atua bompaye ukosha South Africa bompaye ukompai bom ni ade esese bibi tumi esi etoge
bibi esi pa wow bibi esi pa